Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is Shantanu from Articrafty. Today I will discuss Indian bronze sculptures along with Nataraja of Chola dynasty. So let's start. Bronze sculptures of India. Introduction. We know that Indian sculptors were masters in terracotta sculpting and carving in stones. They were masters in the bronze medium too. Bronze is copper plus tin. The cire perdue or lost wax technique for casting was learned as long ago as the Indus Valley civilization. The dancing girl in Tribhanga posture found from Mohenjo-daro is the earliest bronze sculpture datable to 2500 BCE. Sculptors discovered the process of making alloys of metals by mixing copper, zinc and tin, which called bronze. Bronze sculptures and statuettes of Buddhist, Hindu and Jain icons have been discovered from many regions of India dating from the 2nd century AD until the 6th century AD. Most of these were required for ritual worship and are characterized by exquisite beauty and aesthetic appeal. The metal casting process was also used for making articles for various purposes of daily use, such as utensils for cooking, eating, drinking, etc. The present-day tribal communities also utilizes the lost wax process for their artistic expression. The process of bronze casting. There are two types of bronze castings in lost wax technique. First, solid casting. Second, hollow casting. The elaborate and complex lost wax technique of metal casting is divided into many stages. First, a well-detailed solid wax model of the figure is created. The clay mold is made around the wax model. This is heated, thus melting or losing the wax. Molten bronze or any other metal is then poured into the empty clay mold. Upon cooling, the clay is broken to reveal a solid bronze statue. The sculpture is then filed and buffed to remove scratches and give it a shine. Subject matters of bronze sculptures. Jain Tirthankars, Buddha in different postures, Lord Shiva, Nataraja, Lord Ganesha, Uma Parvati, etc. Nataraja, medium bronze, circa 10th century AD, dynasty Cholas, location Thanjavur district of Tamil Nadu, subject matter sculpture of Lord Shiva. Description. Shiva is associated with the end of the cosmic world with which his dancing position is associated. Nataraja means Lord of the dance. Shiva is seen balancing on his right leg. The foot of the right leg is suppressing the apasmara, the demon of forgetfulness or ignorance. His left hand is in Bhujangatrasita stance, depicting kicking away Tirobhava or illusion from the devotee's mind. Four arms are outstretched. Main right hand is in Abhaya Hasta or the gesture suggesting Upper right hand holds a damru, his favorite musical instrument, a percussion instrument to keep on the beat tala. Main left hand is in Dola Hasta and connects with the right hand's Abhaya Hasta. Upper left hand carries a flame. Entire dancing figure is surrounded by the Jwala Mala or the garland of flames. Shiva's locks fly on either side, touching the Jwala Mala. Many variations of this model are found. At the center, there is a bronze statue of Nataraja. Here we can see the Damru at the top left, and at the top right there is a flame.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if there is any doubt or query, please put a note in the comment box below. See you in the next video. Bye.